Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I have all that you need for getting set up in your kitchen and cutting up all of your fresh meats and vegetables. This awesome cutting board set from EZTICO is a complete set that allows you to keep germs separate thanks to the different functions of the cutting boards. What's really cute about the set is that it comes in a holder that you can easily use and place into your cabinet and have these cutting boards stored all the time. It's set up like a filing system, which I think is absolutely adorable. On each of the cutting boards, it gives you a distinctive purpose for each of the boards. So there's one that's specifically for vegetables, there's one that's specifically for meats, then there's one for whatever you want really, and the other one is set up for fruit. Literally, you can use these cutting boards for that purpose every time. They're easy to clean, and they even included a handy little set of kitchen scissors so that you can completely be ready for all of your cutting needs in the kitchen. The boards are really good because each of them has a rubber piece on the corners, so once you start cutting with them, the boards do not move at all. So I feel really safe when I'm using these cutting boards. I really like them because they even have a little ridge so that juices and whatever you're working with doesn't slip over the board as well. They're easy to clean, and the best, coolest part is that they're easy to put away thanks to this convenient holder. If you're looking for a really great set that really helps you to keep all of your meats and cutting of vegetables separately, this is such a really nice, innovative idea. And I love that they're tagged with those cute little pictures as well. But that's just my point of view.